Welcome to our complete guide on KeyBank Online Banking. Today, we'll explore all the services and tools available to you. Let's start by setting up your online banking account. Follow these easy steps. Visit keybank.com and click Enroll. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard displaying key features like balances and recent transactions. Managing your accounts is simple. You can view balances, check transactions, and access your statements all in one spot. With our bill pay services, you can easily set up and manage your payments right from your dashboard. Sending money between your accounts or making external transfers is easy with KeyBank. Just follow the prompts. Our mobile banking app offers features like easy access to your accounts and mobile check deposits. Your security is our priority. KeyBank employs advanced measures to protect your information and accounts. Need help? Reach out to our customer support team through online banking, and we'll be there for you. In conclusion, maximize your KeyBank online banking experience by utilizing all the available tools and staying informed.